Welcome to the Carnage Show. I hope you missed me as much as I missed you. And today I've got a brand new monitor to show you. The Predator X34A.
Me, Carnage.
Now, before I get into the technical aspects of this monitor, I want to talk about some of the confusion you guys have been having between this and the X34B. Basically, it's the same, except they fixed some bugs and made the monitor rotatable. That's about it, really. If you've been waiting for the X34P like I have, well, it's best you know it's been delayed till next year, which is fine by me. As I told you in my multi-monitor for you video right here, I want another one of these bad boys. So subscribe to me if you want to see me do an unboxing and a review of that as soon as it's out. Just don't tell my girlfriend. I suspect she's trying to get rid of my monitors for some reason. Now, I know you've seen the new LG 38-inch widescreen monitor on Unbox Therapy and iCarly, the ones that they shelled out for. Damn it, they get everything before me. But I'm not hating. But it seems to me this monitor is the best of both worlds when it comes to lag-free gaming at 100 Hz overclocked, and is the perfect size for work. I mean, any bigger and you might as well go for a TV, and I don't see the point. Though I will admit, I did consider it. It is a beautiful looking monitor, it's just not best for my needs. In fact, if I just wanted the one monitor, I would have probably gone for that one if it had G-SYNC. Being an NVIDIA fanboy, that's patiently waiting for my 1080 Ti. Subscribe if you want to see that as well. So this is an unboxing. What are we waiting for? There you go, just for you guys. I know you love this part. It's a 4-inch curved 21:9 ultra wide full 4K display with a IPS panel with G-SYNC, and it's got a 4 millisecond delay. Yeah, it's basically, it looks beautiful. It's the stand is metallic, and it's got a very thin bezel, so it will look great with three of them next to each other. And then yeah, let me just show you what comes in the box. You got your manual. It's pretty massive, by the way. Look at it compared to mine. Look. It's massive. It's beautiful. I much prefer the sexy, elegant looks of this to the Z34. And red's not really my color. Black and grey and white. If you haven't noticed, is more my thing. So yeah, it's really is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, it has no smell. It feels great, but it has no smell. It tastes like elegant, sexy technology. Anyway, moving on. What else is in the box?
Yeah.
We have the warranty. HDMI cable. Power charger. Power cord. A display port cable which you need to use if you want full 100 hertz. Yeah, so definitely use this cable. Power brick.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what this is. It looks like a mountain. It might be a mountain to mount the TV. Is that it? Yeah, that's all. That's pretty much all that comes with it. And you've got your USB cable as well. Alright, now I'm gonna turn it on for you guys. So just give me a second. Alright, so I've powered it on. It's not connected to anything yet. I will actually do a full review soon enough when it's connected to my computer. But just to power it on. There you go. Beautiful Predator sign. Let's see if there's any burn around the side. Light leak. Well, since there's no signal, it's a bit hard to see. They've still got the annoying buttons on the bottom, and the X34P will have like a little trackpad, just so you know. And like I say, I will be getting that, so I'll be reviewing that soon. So do subscribe, guys. And yeah, it's a beautiful monitor, guys. I couldn't ask for more. Thanks for watching the Carnage Show with Pure Carnage. Now I want to drop some real talk with you guys. Between my technology videos and my sports technology videos, I'm having a hard time delivering these. I find myself doing filter videos that aren't up to my standard, that I'm happy with. As I concentrate on one aspect of my life, I find another one sliding. So basically I'm looking for an editor, cameraman to help me produce more, because basically I'm not willing to compromise on quality of my videos anymore. And I want to keep this fun, not stressful for myself. So I promise you guys 2 videos a week from now on, one on Tuesday and one on Wednesday. If I manage to make more than that, then that's just the cherry on the cake, basically. Also, enough love to you guys for 500 subs. It happened very fast. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it, and I promise no matter how big this channel gets, or even if it stays the same, to answer all your comments and questions all the time. I'm so grateful for this community we've built. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Press that subscribe button. There's one here and there's one down there. And peace, love, respect. I'm out. Oh, and for every like I get, I'll do, I don't know, handstand push up. Peace.
Me, Carnage.